Not right now. We'll save it for it. Is there a better day to pay the bank?
No, that's the only way I can do it.
I'm afraid once you have it, we'll come to me. I'm afraid once someone has it, I won't get anything.
You get money out of it, of course.
How much?
Like you did, got the money out of the other one. That's why I got beers today.
Calculate that.
I will. I have to see.
Even the lady with the blonde hair, she has curly blonde hair, right? She must be really good at calculating. 20, right? So, yeah. How good is your cousin at calculating? No, she gave it 20. How much did you see in her wallet?